Okay, originally I was gonna do her as the first review, but he's making her a weapon. Yay. So instead, you'll have Gary, the foot soldier. Yay. Pretty much he is a klutz, but yet he is the hero of our story. And his sword is backwards. And I'm still studying up on stop motion, so expect the story stop motion soon. Hopefully, maybe, probably. I don't know. But yeah, he's kind of a klutz, as I said.
He is a klutz. No, I'm gonna be quiet.
And
There's not much to say.
yeah, not really much, except for he's the hero, surprisingly.
Well,
Go Gary!
just think of him as Shaggy from Scooby-Doo.
Okay, that's all.